You must be thinking, can ChatGPT replace the work of a lawyer? Here are 4 reasons that this cannot happen. Legal knowledge. A lawyer is trained in the law and has a deep understanding of the legal system, and ChatGPT do not have this knowledge and cannot replace it. Complexity of the legal issue. It's not able to fully understand and address these complexities like a lawyer. Ethical consideration. Lawyers have a duty to act in their client's best interest. ChatGPT do not have the same ethical obligations. Human judgment. Lawyers must be able to analyze and interpret information, make decisions, and provide sound judgment. ChatGPT do not have the ability to think critically and make judgment calls in the same way that a human lawyer can. So in a summary, we are still okay. And don't forget to like and follow.